What is your go-to Christmas food? Merry Christmas, everybody. It's Big Chuck Reeves. You know what it is. You know what it does. I wanted to know, what are you eating today? Do you have a big Christmas ham? Are you getting down on a Christmas goose? Are you in a place where Christmas barbecue is appropriate? Or are you a person like me who's going to get ready to enjoy a big Chinese food smorgasbord from my local Qingdao restaurant? I want to know. Drop what you're having for dinner tonight, Christmas 25, in the comments. Merry Christmas, y'all. Happy Yule.